Magandang araw po sa lahat, no? Ngayon po ay November 23, 2020. Malapit na yung Pasko, no? Now, as usual, we'll check the price action of PCI today. Kung bumaba ba o tumataas si PCI, no? Kung makita natin dito, si PCI ay umangat ng 0.12%. Dito makita natin may rejection yung price, no, yung level. The high is 7,263.71 and may rejection po, umatras yung level niya, and then it close at 7,178.62. So we'll expect PCI if mag-retreat siya or going sideways or hindi ma-break itong incline support, itong yellow line. Now it is an overbought, and if we know that overbought, it is a candidate for retracement. So we'll see kung may bounce si PCI ditong area if ever mag-retreat siya, no? But kung ma-break na yung resistance above, so it's good for PCI. So we're hoping that if there's a retracement, dito lang siya mag-bounce sa may support area. And this incline support ay hindi ma-break down. And remember, the RSI is already in overbought level. Now, next is the request. First one is Costco. If we see Costco, last March ay bumaba po si Costco, and then hitting the resistance above here and resistance, and then it's going this way again, and now is above, the price now is above AME 200. So we'll expect Costco na hindi ma-break na itong incline support. If ever ma-break diyan, then there's a possibility that we will going back to this incline support below. If there is a breakout, then mag-bounce dito, then there's a possibility that we will see kung mag-bounce dito, then we can ride, and it's already bounce play, no, up to this resistance area. But if ever mag-hold si Costco in this area, so it is good, okay, and ma-break na itong incline ay yung resistance above. Kung ma-break niya, then it's good. So we will see Costco na hindi ma-break itong incline support, and we will see the price action in this area. If there is a bullish candle, it's good. But take note, kung mag-bounce, mag-down siya, then we will watch this incline support below. Okay? But now, we'll see kung hindi niya ma-break itong incline support. Okay. So next one is MRSGI. Si MRSGI, we already discussed this one last Thursday. Still is holding the incline support, ay nag-hold pa naman. And if we see here, the index above 25, MACD is above the signal line and above zero line. So now, yesterday, last Friday, na-break po niya itong resistance above. And now, nandito siya sa may taas ng AMA 200. So now, wag niyong habulin po itong price kasi ito mataas na po yung price ni MRSGI. We will wait if there is a retracement, and we will see if there is a bounce again in this incline support. But if incline support may break down, then we need to watch another price action of MRSGI. But in case tomorrow ma-break ni MRSGI itong resistance above, then it's okay, no? But we need to watch, no, if there is a retracement. So ngayon tumataas na ng 6.88%, and mataas na po yan kung bumababa yung presyo ni MRSGI. So we need to see if there is a retracement. Now it is already in an overbought level, so it is candidate for retracement. Next one is STI. STI, kung tingnan natin yung chart ni STI, natin yung chart ni STI. STI ngayon ay last Friday tumataas po siya. There's a volume now. Still he's holding this incline resistance, this support. This is the previous resistance, and now act as support. So nag-hold naman siya. Then now we will watch STI and the price action on this area. And if we break this resistance above, it's good. But for now, we need to watch na hindi ma-break itong incline support. Kung mag-stay lang si STI dito, then it's good. If bumalik si STI dito sa baba, no. So iwas muna, no? So we need the STI to stay on this area, this triangle pattern above. So next one is FLI. Kung tingnan natin si FLI, last week, last November 5, tumataas po si STI up to the EMI 200. And then there's a retracement because on that time it is in overbought level. And then there's a retracement again going to EMI 20. And there's a bounce last Friday. And now he is hitting again the resistance above. So kung tumaas-taas si RSI dito bukas, ma-break na itong resistance above, then it's okay for for LFI. And kung yung mga may position, then hold your position kung may breakout dito sa my area. Pero kung yung walang pang position, wait for another opportunity if there is a retracement of the price. So kung magre-retrace si FLI on this area tomorrow, magpupula si FLI, then we will wait another opportunity on this area. But kung tumataas siya doon, huwag niyong habulin po yung price. We need to wait another retracement of FLI. So next one is MEH. Kung tingnan natin si MEH, we discussed this one also last time, no? We discussed MEH, and we see MEH is holding the incline support. And last Friday, nag-bounce po siya dito, and then again today, he break this resistance above. And now again hitting the second resistance line above, but there is a rejection for the price. So we need to wait sa MEH if there is a pullback on this area. So we need to see kung may pullback on this level around 2.23 or 2.22 on this area. Okay, we will wait. But if FLI going up, if MEH going up tomorrow here, so we'll wait if there is a retracement. Huwag niyong habulin po yung price as I said. So now is hitting this resistance. We need to wait if there is a retracement on this area. But if ever MEH will going back to this area here down, so we need to watch if there is a bounce in the incline support. And if there is a bounce, then we can play going to this resistance above also. Kung ma-break na ito, kung mag-down siya ulit dito sa my area na ito. But if hindi na, we need to see if there is a mag-hold yung price dito na area. This support ay mag-hold. So this line. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching. To all my supporters, my subscribers, thank you very much. And if you have comments, just put your comments in the video below. And if you want any stock to be reviewed, just put in the comments, and we will prioritize that request. I hope you learned something about this, and we will share each other, and we will master this correct entry in the stock market. But take note, don't buy in the resistance area. Buy every time in the support area. If there is a retracement, especially if it is in overbought condition. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, and God bless us always.